This is Lab 2, Objective 3 with the Vex push button. My power comes out of my 5-volt source, flows to my distribution bar. It flows from the distribution bar to my Vex hearts right here, from the Vex red wire for my hot wire. It flows from here where it splits into two. It splits into my black ground wire, which goes back and then hops over this ground right here to back to my grounding distribution, where it flows back into ground on my breadboard. Or from back to the Vex part, it also flows from my white signal wire right here to my breadboard, to my green wire, to my input pin number 2, where it gets put in and processed and assessed by the onboard microcompressor and goes out pin 13 as an output on my yellow wire. From my yellow wire, it goes into the LED, exits the LED, goes over my limiting 220 resistor and back to my distribution for ground, where it flows out of ground and returns to my grounding rod. As I push the button, and it switches from, it's a brake switch, so it switches from high to low. So my LED does likewise. If I let it go, it switches back to high, so my LED turns back on. I'm about to move the camera and show you my serial monitor. Okay, that's it, not depressed. My button is now depressed. My button's no longer depressed. My button's depressed. My button's no longer depressed. Depressed. On, off, and done.